Hello people, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reduce the size of the file of an image that you have created in GIMP, especially for those YouTube thumbnails that need to be on 2 megabytes and below. And also stick up to the end because I'm going to be giving a random shout out to a few subscribers just to show the love and appreciation for subscribing to the channel. Okay, so let's jump into it.
It was a nightmare.
Activate.
Okay, so right, so this is what I was saying. I was actually working on a thumbnail for my other YouTube channel, IRC Virus AG, right? And basically what happens is that I created the thumbnail and it was very heavy, and I wasn't able to actually upload it and put it as a thumbnail because it was too big, and it was saying that the file was too big, you couldn't do it. And I was trying to find loads and loads of different ways to actually get it reduced, but nothing was working. So here we go. Yeah, this is the one, right? So this is what I had, right? Every time I done file and export as, let's go for, I don't know, just love giving them random names. Okay, we're gonna do this, export and export. So now when we look at the files over here, and now when we look at the files over here, what we got is that the image is there, but it's 3.15 megabytes, okay? And that's quite a lot. It wouldn't let you actually upload it, okay? So what I tried to do, I tried to, first of all, try to compress the image. So you right click this up here and you go to properties and advanced, and you compress it to save some space, but it's not much. It's just a tiny bit that gets compressed. Apply. Okay, and it's still 3.15 megabytes. Okay, so the next thing that I did, so as every person would, I went straight into YouTube. So I followed this guy's video. He essentially says to you that you have to, let me see, where is it? There you go. So when you're exporting, it gives you this option where you can actually see the percentage of the well, not the percentage, but the actual size of the file when you are compressing it. But my GIMP doesn't say that. Okay, I got the latest version. I think it is. It should be the latest version. It doesn't give me the option. I can't see that. Okay, maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I can't see it. Okay, all right. So then I went on to, so that's my other channel. So let's see, I went on to this one here where it says compress the image size, right? And basically what this guy is saying is that you have to go up here to where it says, is it layers or images? One of the two. And then you go here, you click on generate optimum palette, and then it sets these boundaries there. But what I noticed is that even though the image gets about 70% smaller in size, the quality just goes down. For instance, I had this glow in the back of the yellow writing, and when I pressed that, it all disappeared, and I wasn't able to get that back. So the whole original thing was messed up, and I thought I don't really want to compromise in that area. I spend enough time actually getting it done. I want to stick to it like that. Okay. Then I went on to, where's all that was? It was somebody else here. I think it was this here. No, it wasn't that. It was this one here. I started looking at this video, and this guy knows what he's talking about. Okay, he probably does photography and image and all of that. Even though I reduced the pixels into the image, it still wasn't enough. It was not nearly enough. Okay, then he starts talking about all the different interpolations and stuff like that, and I thought, you know what, I don't really have the time or the luxury. I don't really spend that much time editing pictures, so I need a quick fix. Okay, so what I did essentially is that I saved the image. Okay, and then what I did, what was it? Okay, so I had here, I created an image. Let me see, create an image from visible. All right, so I got the whole thing. I close all of this just to try and make sure, or try and attempt to help with the reducing the size of the actual document. Now what I did next is that I managed to go to layer Then I went to transform. No, it wasn't transform, it was scale, and I changed this to percentage. Change that to percentage. I drop a 50% in there, okay, and it scales it to 50%. All right, was it 75? I think it was 50. Right, so what you know that is that the whole image will be smaller, but these areas here are gonna appear as black, I think, in the thing. So let me just export as we're just gonna go with no, actually, you know what, we're gonna go with there we go. We can identify that easy. Okay, it's being exported, and as you can see, I don't have that percentage thing, well, not percentage, but the image size. Every time I jog with the compression level, it doesn't show up. So I'm gonna export this, and when I go to the where is it? It's here, right? So this is the one I did before, so it's very small, right? It's very small, and you can see it is 0.97 megabytes, but all of that space around is gonna appear empty. So when you upload the actual thumbnail, it will look like that in the actual thumbnail. Okay, so what I did is that I opened this, okay, and I went to this little tool here, create new, okay, and okay, so it's from there. I'm gonna create a new one again, create new. So just from the edge, highlight the picture itself up to there, boom, there we go, right? And I'm saving that, right? Saving in the file, videos 3, okay, and we're gonna do this one as ggggggg. There we go, right? So it's saved. Now close this down, and we can see here ggggg. It looks really big, and the size is only 753. The size of it went from like 3.15 megabytes to 753 kilobytes. So it's a massive difference. Now, when I went to the YouTube channel, okay, and I was, let me see, where is it? Yeah, I went to my YouTube channel and I was uploading that video, okay. When I changed to this, right, and I click on it, uploaded it, and this is how it looked. It looks really good. It doesn't look too small. It doesn't look too deteriorated. It doesn't look that the quality has decreased. I mean, I tried doing a lot of things. I tried to taking all the little pictures that I included. All right, so all the pictures that I included. Let me just undo this for now. There you go. So that, this, even this, I tried to take everything out and try to find smaller pictures and smaller images and see if it works. It reduced it by a little bit, but it wasn't quite enough. It was such a mission. I spent about 3 to 4 hours trying to figure out watching videos on YouTube until I finally came out with a solution. Okay, that is the way that I managed to reduce the size image on a picture that I've created in game. Okay, and that goes for everything else that you want to do. If you look at the image, it doesn't look much different from the other one. Let me open the big image I had, which was this one, I believe it was. Okay, so there you have it. Where's the other one? That's GG. Okay, there we go, GG. And the original one. Okay, it's not much difference. Pretty good. Okay, well, there you have it, guys. That's all I got for you guys. I hope you find that useful and time saving. Okay, so until the next one, remember, knowledge is power.